I'm going to be showing you how you can fix your patio umbrella when it will not go down all the way through and it only goes down halfway. So what you need to do first is you need to see whatever screw you have. Mine is an Allen key. For you it might be different. So just find the screwdriver that fits this nut right here. I'm going to be using this Allen key wrench right here because mine is Allen key. And what you need to do first is you see that the screw is protruding a bit. So what you need to do is tighten it all the way in so that it's not protruding anymore like this. You see, now that we tighten the screw on your umbrella for your patio umbrella, what you want to do now is we can close the umbrella because now the screw is no longer protruding and it's going to be closing all the way through on your patio umbrella. So now we can test it to see if it closes. Now you should see that the umbrella is closing. That's because we have tightened the screw on the umbrella. If you do not tighten the screw on the umbrella, it's not going to be able to close. So make sure you tighten the screw on the pole for your umbrella. If the screw is protruding out, then that means that you're not going to be able to close your umbrella because the screw is protruding. So make sure you close or tighten the screw on the pole for the umbrella so that you're able to close your patio umbrella. Now that we tested your patio umbrella that it closes and opens up, that's it for this video, guys, on how you can fix your patio umbrella when it does not work and when it will not close because the screw will not let it. So please like, comment, and subscribe for more how-to videos like these ones on how to fix your patio umbrella when it will not close all the way through and it only goes halfway. So please like, comment, and subscribe for more how-to videos like these ones.